Hello friends, welcome to our channel Live Trades. Today is 3rd March 2020. In this video we will discuss about chart setups and trading strategies for tomorrow in Nifty, Banknifty, stocks and commodities. This is TDF X1 system and MT4 platform. You can trade stocks, commodities and Forex markets with this trading system. You can purchase TDF X1 system from tdftrader.com. Link is given in the description box. So this is Nifty futures chart, 15 minutes time frame. It closed at 11th on 321 today. And there was a sell signal running in this chart from this level around 11,940. This was a sell signal, and filter was red and candles are also red, and we are short from this level. So from 11,940 today it closed at 11,320. So even if you have closed today, we are in a profit of around 600 points. Now you can see today's movement here. See, there was a buy signal yesterday. This was yesterday's buy signal, and this was not valid because filter was green but candles are not green, so there was no entry here. And we have a sell signal here. There is no entry in this signal because this is only continuation signal. There is no fresh entry here. So the previous sell signal is running. This is first 15 minutes candle. There was a gap up of around 150 points, and afterwards we got some little bit of selling pressure. And by end of session we were closed in positive of more than 150-170 points, I think. And you can see the downtrend is still strong. There is no change in this indicator. So this pink color line which shows you HTF trend, higher time frame trend, this is still in negative. Nifty is in downtrending mode and don't expect any V-shaped pullback here. Even yesterday also we have told you in the previous video that all pullbacks will be sold into, and the first gap up in the morning was sold into, and by end of session we got some little bit of buying in the market, and almost many stocks have closed in positive, but downtrend is still intact in many stocks. As downtrending is strong, and on every pullback you will get selling pressure. So probably tomorrow we are expecting some pullback depending upon the option table, and now we will see the option table. So this is Nifty option table. You can see here there were I think for 16,61,000 contracts here. This is 11,400 call option. So this will be our first resistance, and 11,500 will be our second resistance. And there is some little bit of buying seen in the from the option side. So there may be a chance of little bit of pullback tomorrow up to 11,400, 450 levels. But again that will be a very good selling point. And you can see support is around this level, I think 11,200. So and 11,000 is also very good support. Unless we get some bad news regarding coronavirus and international markets, there is no possibility of breaking down 11,000 because there is almost 19 lakhs contracts are there. But if 11,000 breaks, that market picture will be very bad because 10,500 will be the next level to watch. And I don't think 11,000 will be broken. So of course 11,200 is very strong support for tomorrow. So we are expecting a pullback based on this option table, and we have some call options also for tomorrow. Based on option table, there is a little bit of positive movement in market and even on Nifty chart also. So we are expecting a pullback up to 11,450 to 500 tomorrow, and that will be a very good point to short. And of course, if there is any new signal which forms from that particular point, then we will reverse the position. But as of now, there is no valid buy signal in this chart, and downtrend is very strong. So an important point I would like to say about coronavirus is market has gone up today because of some news that central banks will inject liquidity. But injecting liquidity will not stop virus. So this coronavirus issue is a very big issue. So it is not going to die in just one day or 2 days. Just now there was some news that some vaccine is developed for coronavirus, but that will be tested on human beings only in the month of April. So there is no medicine as of now, and there is no vaccine as of now. Even that vaccine also, as per the developers, it takes at least 1 year time to develop. So this is going to be a very big issue. If there is any bad news regarding coronavirus, Nifty will fall down to 10,500. So keep it in mind. Don't take aggressive long positions. And even if you get any pullback, that will be sold into if there is any bad news in market. Let us see Bank Nifty chart now, and you can see there was a sell signal running in Bank Nifty from this particular area. I think we got sell signal somewhere here. I think it triggered at 30,580 or 570. So from 30,580 today it closed at 29,280. So almost 1200 points even if you close today. And you can see there is a little bit of buying pressure today. And there was a buy signal yesterday. It was invalid signal because filter was red, and candles are also red. Now filter color changed to green, but candles are still red. And even if you get a buy signal tomorrow, candles must change the color to green, then only we can take a buy signal. Even if you take that buy signal, that will be a low probability signal because it is in trending mode. So keep that in mind. And even in Bank Nifty also, we cannot expect a V-shaped recovery. So just wait for reasonable pullback and short again. Now let us see Bank Nifty option table. So you can see here, I think around 5,35,000 contracts here. So 29,500 will be our first resistance. And crossing this will be very difficult. Of course, we have some long positions today. We have taken some call options based on the option table. But this is also weak setup. This is not so strong setup. So if there is any bad news, it will again fall down. So now you can see support is somewhere here. I think 29,000. So if 29,000 breaks, it will fall on 28,500 without any gap, because selling pressure is very heavy in the market. Even after Dow has given you around 400 points move yesterday, our market could not go even up to 2%, 3%. Of course, by the end of session, we went up 2%, I think. But when Dow has given you 5% movement yesterday night, then we should have at least opened at least in 3%, 4% positively, but that is not the case. So you can see what is the intensity of the selling in our markets. So everyday FIs are selling continuously. So keep that in mind and don't take aggressive long positions. And coronavirus issue is not going to die in a single day or single week. Unless there is some correct solution for coronavirus, automobile stocks, metal stocks, and all IT stocks will suffer. There are a lot of restrictions on travel, so IT stocks will be the first one to hit very badly. So just wait for reasonable pullbacks and then short as per the chart structure. Now let us see individual charts now. So the first chart is Maruti. So this is Maruti 15-minute chart. Yesterday there was a buy signal here and filter was also green, and then candles were also green. But this level is not crossed, so buy signal did not trigger. So even today also it tried to go up, but it did not cross this level. Unless this level is crossed, we will not take a buy position. Even this buy signal is also a weak signal because Maruti is in downtrending market. We can play only for intraday purpose of around 100-150 points here. Automobile stocks which have global exposure will be hit badly. Tata Motors will be the first one which will be hit badly because it has got global exposure. But Maruti has no global exposure. It has got only a little bit of exposure. But even then, be careful in automobile stocks. If any bounce back comes, you play only for intraday purpose. So this is the first stock to trade in long direction tomorrow if this level is broken. Next stock is Tata Motors. So you can see there was a pullback today, and that was also sold into. And you can see both the charts, Maruti and Tata Motors. In Maruti, at least candles were green, but here even candles are also continuously red. So there is heavy selling pressure in Tata Motors. I think if any pullback comes, that will be a very good point to short again at around 140. And a lot of call letters are there here around 140, 150 level. So it is not so easy to cross 140 level. So if any pullback comes up to 140, just short it without any hesitation. And the next stock is Escorts. See, yesterday also we told you to observe this stock, and because everything was perfect in this. So buy signal is there, candles are green, and even filter is also green yesterday. But today filter has become red. Of course, that is not a sell signal. So we can expect around 875 to 880 levels tomorrow if there is no bad news in global markets. So this is very strong stock in market. And next stock is Sun Pharma. There is a buy signal in Sun Pharma here, and you can see filter is also green and candles are also green. So we should have bought on breakout of this candle. So this level is, I think we will see the level. This is 390. So from 390 it went up to 397 intraday. And by the end of session, even higher time frame is also supporting. Of course, this is in strong downtrending mode, but chart structure is very good. It may touch up to 405, 406 tomorrow if there is no bad news. And the next one is Coal India. See, Coal India, there was a buy signal yesterday, and candles were also green, but filter is not green. So this buy signal will be valid only if this filter becomes green. So wait for this filter to become green, and then only you take that buy signal. And this has got potential to go up to 186, 187 level because there is some news also in this counter. And the next one is Infosys. See, as already told you, IT stocks will be the first one to hit badly because of travel restrictions. So even if you get some pullback tomorrow, just try to short if there is no valid signal. And it applies to even TCS also. Of course, in HCL Tech there is a little bit of buying scene, but Infosys is weak, and probably this may be the first one to fall. So if you want to short any stock in IT sector, so short only Infosys, only on a pullback. So wait for a pullback tomorrow morning and then you can short it. And the next one is Indigo. There is heavy call rating in this Indigo stock around 1340, 1350 level. So crossing that level will be very tough unless we get some good news. So try to short any pullback. Suppose if it comes up to 1290, 1295 or 1300, that will be a very good point to short. and downtrending is strong in this. Higher time frame is still in sell mode, and candles are also red. There is no problem in this chart, so you can short without any hesitation. The next stock is SBI. You can see there is a sell signal here, and I think this sell signal is around 317. From 317 it has fallen to 290. So even now you can see filter is still continuously red. There is no buying pressure here. So this is a strong downtrend. If any pullback comes, immediately you can short it without any doubt. And I think this level, I think this level will be very good area to short. 305 to 306 level, that will be a very good point to short. So if Bank Nifty is positive tomorrow, there will be a pullback in SBI around 305, 306. That will be a very good point to short. Next stock is Tata Steel. You can see there was some buying pressure today, but it's a weak stock. Downtrend is very strong. Of course, you may get some pullback tomorrow because of some central bank fund infusion plans, etc. This level will be very tough to cross. I think 414, 415. So try to short around 395 or 400 level. So probably from there again it may come down to this level 380, 390. So just wait for reasonable pullback and then short. And now we will see international market chart. So this is Dow chart. So you can see there is a buy signal now in this chart. Of course, this high has to be crossed. So if this high is crossed, then Dow will be in buy mode. But this is a weak signal because it is in downtrending mode. Now we will see Nasdaq chart, and Nasdaq also same picture. So sell signal was running, and now you got a buy signal today. And even this also it will be triggered if this level is broken. So I think based on the news that central banks will inject some liquidity, etc., Dow and Nasdaq are moving. But as I told you, fund infusion is not the solution for coronavirus. Unless we get some good news about treatment of coronavirus, all markets will be in range bound only. So there will be no V-shape recovery. And you can see other chart also, even DAX also it is in downtrend. So you can see in DAX there was no buy signal. So in Dow and Nasdaq there was a buy signal, but in DAX there is no buy signal. Now you will see gold chart. So this is gold chart, 1 hour COMEX chart. Here downtrend is strong and there is no problem in this chart. So we will have to wait for international news. And now this is silver chart. There was sell signal running in this chart. See, from this level sell signal is running and it is continuously going down. And downtrend is still strong. There is no problem in this chart. So you can short any pullback if it comes again. So now we will see crude oil chart. So this is crude oil 1 hour chart, NYMEX 1 hour chart. You can see there is a buy signal here and filter is green and candles are also green. So breakout of this level will be a very good point to go long. But this is a weak signal because crude is also in downtrending mode. And now we will see Indian market charts, MCX charts. This is gold 5-minute chart. There was a buy signal somewhere here. This is 5-minute chart. So in spite of this volatility, you can see there is no sell signal here. So if you go to any other software in this area, you would have got at least 5 to 6 buy signals, 5 to 6 sell signals. But in this software, there is no fake signal. So that is the strength of TDF system. So buy signal is running on this chart. There is no problem in this one. Of course, it's a small time frame. You got even profit also in this time frame. So wait for some news from international markets and then trade accordingly. And you can trade any time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. You just have to load the template, correct template. So this is 5 minutes template. And this is 1 hour template of for silver chart. So you can see here sell signal is running here from this level and it has already fallen 2000 points. Yesterday also we have shown you the same chart, so you can refer the previous videos also. And we'll see crude oil chart. And 5-minute template will have this blue color filter instead of green color. We got a buy signal here and filter was green and filter was blue, and then candles are also supporting in green color. So we have taken a buy position. Afterwards there was some pullback in market, but there was no sell signal, and from there it got very good up move. In 5 minutes also you got very good profit, and this buy signal got triggered somewhere here 3360. So from 3360 it went up to 3520. Now it is at 3520. So it's a very good move in even 5-minute chart also. Observe this area, there was some disturbance in this area. There was some little bit of selling pressure here, but the selling pressure has turned only this filter into red, but there was no sell signal as per either X1 signal or arrow signal. There is no sell signal. So that is the strength of X1 system. It will not give you any bad signals, or it will not give you any fake signals. So hope this information is useful to you. Subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. All our videos will come with useful trading strategies. So if you subscribe to our channel, you will get notification whenever we upload videos. We welcome your comments. Visit our website livetrades.com for more information regarding live trading groups and other services. Thanks for watching.